Yo, what is up and welcome back to another video. In today's video we got some exciting news. So the short block that I ordered finally came in. Let's go. I'm gonna walk you guys over here so you can check it out. Get the shipping information on it. But yeah, here we go. Here's the short block. Finally came in. Hallelujah. So we're actually gonna unbox this in the garage, which is cool. So I'm gonna grab the dolly. I'm gonna set you guys down. I'm gonna grab the dolly and we'll move this into the garage. Alright, so we got the EJ205 here and we're gonna go ahead and open it up and take a look at what it looks like inside. Maybe. So here it is. It's painted black. Oh. I bought this from Sunwest Automotive in Washington over by Spokane. This is where the oil pump is gonna go. That is, the water pump's gonna go there. Okay, so everything looks really good. The only thing that I'm seeing right now, and this is just from what I can see, okay, is that right there is a pretty big chunk of shipping, and it looks like there's marks here as well. But I think that's okay. So I'm just gonna grab this gasket real quick and kind of fit it over this one, just so I can see kind of. Yeah, so it's not really on the sealing surface. It doesn't look like. Let me see, because this one might be different. Yeah, no, it's not on the sealing surface, because yeah, the problem is right here. Overall, doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it. The pistons look like they're in good shape. I mean, I think these are brand new pistons. Everything looks flat, machined well. So yeah, from what I can see, PCV valve there, cause yeah, they actually reuse engines. So I'm gonna be sending mine back in the same box and everything. But yeah, this is the new, well, remand, should I say, remand block right here. Yep. Oh dude, I'm so excited about this. I don't think you guys understand how excited about it I am. I think that is where I'm gonna end this video. Just wanted to show you guys, this just came in today. I'm super excited about it. It looks good. And you know, there's that little problem there, but it doesn't look like it's on any of the ceiling surfaces, which is good. Which means I don't have to be too worried about it. Thank goodness. Yeah, but everything else looks freaking spectacular. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna end the video for now. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching so much. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.